In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily tag someone or mention someone on YouTube. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys! You can tag someone using your computer or your mobile device. The process is really very similar. I'm gonna show you how to do that on my iPhone. We can use YouTube application or YouTube Studio application, it doesn't matter. So I'm just gonna open up YouTube application. You can do the same on your device. Also you can use your Android device as well. And once you've done that, first off you need to make sure that you are logged into your account, and then go to library, go to your videos. That will show you the list of your uploaded videos. However, you can also mention someone while uploading a video in the same way. I'm just gonna show you how to do that because it is very simple. So guys, all we have to do is just tap right here at three dots and then tap at edit. We can tag someone on the title of our video or at the description. So I'm just gonna tap at title, and all we have to do is just type in at symbol, just like that, and then just enter a username or YouTube handle of a user whom you would like to tag, just like that. That will show you some different results, and you can just select any result from that list. After that, we can also tag a user in the description in the same way. And then, to save the changes, just don't forget to tap at save. That's how you can easily tag someone on YouTube.